Hello and welcome to this edition of You and the Law. You and the Law sets out to discuss the basic issues of law in society for the understanding of everyone. We also discuss the issues of law in the breaking news. The breaking news in Nigeria today is that Governor Wike, Governor of Rivers State, has donated a sum of 300 million naira to a gathering of women in Lagos State, Nigeria. Before we proceed, let's watch this video to hear directly from the governor.
The women of Rivers State, my dear wife, who has extended her greetings to Her Excellency, your wife, and all the wives of governors and the wife of deputy governor that are here, will support this so you can continue with the laudable project with a sum of 300 million.
Expectedly, this donation has created talking points in Nigeria and internationally. It has also generated some issues of law. In this edition, we discuss these issues of law with a view to answering the question whether the donation is lawful or not. The critical question here is, did Governor Wike make the donation in his personal capacity as Nyesom Wike, a Nigerian citizen who has been working and earning income for the better part of his adult life? Put in other words, did he make the donation from his pocket or from his personal account? If the answer is yes, then the donation is in order. It is lawful. It is acceptable to the law for anyone to make free will donation from his personal account or pocket to anyone at anywhere and at any time. But did he make the donation of 300 million naira in his official capacity as the governor of Rivers State? If the answer is yes, the legal question that would follow is, was such donation captured in the 2022 budget of the government of Rivers State? Or was it captured in the supplementary budget of the state? If the answer is no, then the donation by Governor Wike is unlawful. By the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, for instance, no expenditure of government funds shall be made by anyone, and this would include governors, without appropriation. Such expenditure must be captured in the annual budget or supplementary budget to be lawful. If the donation of the 300 million naira to a group of women in Lagos is not contained in the current annual budget of Rivers State or in the supplementary budget, then Governor Wike had no legal right or justification to have made such donation, and that's the law. It should be noted that the governors of the various states of Nigeria are seen in law as trustees who are expected to spend the funds of their state judiciously and in line with the law. In particular, they are not to spend without appropriation. Appropriation is a law which contains what is to be spent in a financial year. Being a law, it amounts to the people's expenditure approval. If the 300 million naira is not in the Rivers State budget, it simply means that the donation does not have the approval and backing of the law. What is the lesson here for public office holders? It is simple. Every public office holder should work within the provisions of the budget as passed into law by the National Assembly or by the State House of Assembly. I do hope you have learnt one thing or two about the position of the law on public funds. Many thanks for watching, and do remember to subscribe or follow this channel for regular notifications. I remain your host, your friend and lawyer, Ekemi Nodim.